Today, we're going to be drawing a portrait. A portrait is someone's face, not their full body. I'm going to be practicing using a picture of myself. We're going to be looking for lines and shapes that we see on my face. Let's start first with my head. I see a round shape that's long, an oval. I'm going to start first with drawing my eyes because our eyes are in the middle of our head. Our eyes have a football shape with a curved line like a rainbow and a curved line like a smile. So let's look in the middle of my oval. I'm going to draw a curved line like a rainbow and a curved line like a smile. Our eyes have a few more shapes. Circles, the color of our eye is a circle, and everyone has a pupil that's black in the middle. So my eyes are green. I have a green circle and the pupil. Next, I could draw my eyebrows. Our eyebrows help show how we're feeling. If our eyebrows are down like this, we kind of look angry. If our eyebrows are really raised up, we look surprised. On my face, my eyebrows are in their kind of normal spot because I'm relaxed and smiling. Our eyebrows have a curve on the top and a curve on the bottom. Curve on the top, curved on the bottom, and they usually go to a point at the end. Next, we could draw our nose. Our nose, an easy way to draw it is to show one line for the bridge of our nose that comes out and one line for the bottom of our nose that touches our face where our nostrils are, where we breathe. So I could have one line here and one line here. It sort of looks like the letter L a little bit backwards. Next, I could draw my mouth. Just like our eyebrows, our mouth helps show how we're feeling. So you might have a frown with your mouth or an oval shape if you're surprised. But in my picture, I have a big smile because I was feeling happy. So we could draw a smile with a semicircle. A semicircle is like a circle that gets cut in half. I have a straight line at the top and a curved line at the bottom for my big smile. My smile is so big that you can see my teeth too. I could draw my teeth with a rectangle shape. My teeth are really round, but a rectangle is the easiest way to draw them, so we're gonna do that. I can see my bottom teeth too, just a little bit. Now you guys might be missing a tooth, so you might have a spot that's empty to show that you're missing a tooth. I have all my teeth, so I'm gonna keep it right there. After I draw my head, I could draw my ears. Now, I can't see my ear on this side, but I can see a little bit over here. So I'm just gonna pretend we can see the whole thing. Your ear is like a curved line and a curved line inside. I can even see my earring, so I'm gonna draw a little circle. I can't see my ear over here, but if I could see it, it would have a curved line and another curved line. I'm gonna erase mine since we can't see it. Next, I could draw my hair. We're just doing the outline. I have straight hair. It stops at where my shoulder is, so I'm gonna stop that line right there. On this side, it goes down all the way past my shoulder. My hair sort of has a zigzaggy line at the bottom. I could draw my neck. Our neck has one line over here and one line over here, but my hair is covering it, so I can't really see it. I'll leave it there lightly just so you know it's there. My shoulder goes this way and around. On this side, my hair is covering it, but my shoulder is back here. We can see the curve on the shirt I'm wearing. My hair is covering it, but it would keep going this way. I can bring the rest of my hair down. I could also add my eyelashes. Everyone has eyelashes. They help keep things out of our eye like dust. If you wanted to draw your eyelashes, you could draw some curved lines on the side. So that's an example of how you could use lines and shapes to draw a portrait. One thing that I forgot, and I added it now, my head was like this. My hair actually comes down a little bit in front of our forehead. So I drew how my hair covers it up, and then I'm gonna erase my forehead that I can't see anymore. So that's the last thing that I forgot when I was drawing, but it shows how our hair can kind of go in front of our forehead too. Okay, so when I was showing you the portrait, I showed you with the picture of myself, and I have straight hair. And the way that you can draw hair is with the type of line you use. So for straight hair, you use a straighter line. For curly hair, you might use a curvy line. For wavy hair, you might do a curvy line that has less bumps. So do you see how this one looks wavy and this one looks like a tighter curl? So some people have short hair like this person. We can see the outline is what we're gonna do. So his ear is about here, his eyebrows, and his eyes are about here. I'm not doing a lot of detail because this is really, I just wanna show you the hair. So I see that the outline goes up like this. It's straight along his forehead. It goes back down and around towards his ear. We can see on the top of his head, there's a little bit of texture, almost like a really small curl. You could draw that with a curvy line if you wanted. So that's how I would draw his short hair. This person has longer curly hair. We can see, and this person, he doesn't have any hair on his forehead. But with this person, since his hair is longer, it falls in front. So when I'm drawing him, I can barely even see his ears. I can see like the bottom, his eyebrows, and his eyes. So if I was drawing his hair, I would show it with a curvy line. He has curls that fall in front of his forehead, and I'm just really doing the outline. He has curls all around the side, and it kind of comes down. He has some curls all around. If you wanted to show some of the other parts, you could add some more curvy lines this way, kind of showing the outline of where his curly hair is. If I'm drawing someone who she has kind of longer wavy hair, we can see it comes down on her forehead a little bit, goes around. Here it's looking kind of straight, and then as it goes down, we can start to see some of the bigger waves. On this side, again, it's sort of straight. I can see her ear over here. And then we can see it's wavy towards the bottom. And then we can see her eyebrow and her eye and her nose. She has very curly hair. It's a tighter curl. So if I was drawing her hair, we can see it kind of comes down a little bit. And it's a tighter curl. So you can see here I did a long curvy line. And this one I'm gonna have more curves. And again, I'm just drawing the outline. I don't want to try to draw every single piece of hair because I'm going to be adding color with paint or color pencils or something like that. What I love about her hair, she has a lot of volume, so I might even add a little bit more out here. And I'm drawing the bottom line to show that there's a lot more hair here that I'm not drawing. You can see it goes out. I'm going to draw some more of the volume. And really, it's very long. It goes off the page even. Her eyebrows are in here. We can't see her ears and her nose and all that fun stuff. All right, the last thing I want to show you, if you have glasses. So if you have glasses, I'm drawing Miss Rones. We can see her eyebrows are up here. We can see her eyes. We can see the bottom of her nose. Now her glasses, I would draw them with a curved line. They go out here, and another curved line that goes up, curved line over here, and a curved line down. And then there's sort of a round shape in the middle where the glass part is. And then we can see a little bit of the part that goes behind her ear that holds it up. And we could draw her nose that's holding them up over here. So that's one way to draw glasses. This is kind of a round pair. Some people have more of like a boxy pair That's more like a square. So if you have glasses, it sort of depends on the kind that you have, and you know, your eye, you could still see your eye back behind them. But those are some things that weren't included when I drew myself. So when you're drawing either yourself or another person, think about what kind of hair they have or you have, and if you have anything like glasses or things like that.